We all know Bangkok is cheap.
We are trying spicy mangoes for 50 baht.
But how cheap is it actually? To find that out, I challenged myself to travel on a $50 per day budget in Bangkok. This would include hotel, transportation, food, activities, and miscellaneous items. So let's see how cheap Bangkok actually is. And if you don't know me, then I'm Akanksha. I quit my 9 to 5, left Canada, and I'm traveling the world on a one-way ticket. And today we are in Bangkok.
Today we woke up early, super early, grabbed some coffee, and now we're heading out to go temple hopping and find some beautiful temples for you. This is Wat Saket, and a lot of places that I was going through said that you should come here during sunset, but I don't think I'll be able to come here during sunset. So I was like, let's just visit in the morning because I'm pretty sure sunset's going to be very crowded. And I'm here at 9, it opens at 7. If you come early, you beat the crowds. That's what I think. There are certain rules about what you can wear in the temples. So you need to cover your shoulders, you need to cover your knees, and you can't have like crop tops and stuff. If you're going to the temples, either have something that covers you or get one of the elephant pants if you are like really not ready to visit the temples. So for Wat Saket, it's 100 baht per person to go up, and that's where we will be going. Do not get scared by the 344 stairs because they're like literally short steps like this. They're not big, it's not like something straining or something like that. It's super easy to walk. So walk up. And oh my god, this looks beautiful. This is the inside of Wat Saket, and just check this out. Oh my god. In this heat, this is such a refresher, and with this view, I think you can't start a day better. I would definitely come here at 7 in the morning if I can. It's just amazing. So this was Wat Saket behind me, and do I think it's worth it? 110%. It's worth the hype. I'm sure it's going to look beautiful if you come here during sunrise or sunset. But if you come here as soon as it opens, you don't get any crowds. It was so quiet, so peaceful, so calm upstairs, and I absolutely loved it. I think we didn't want to leave but then we have a lot of things to do today, so we were like, let's just go ahead. But it is so beautiful. It's open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. This complex has a lot of places to see, so just don't go to Wat Saket and leave. There is more. We are at a cafe called Number 14 Cafe next to the temple that we are going to visit next. But we decided we need some food. It's 11 a.m. and we usually don't have breakfast, but I think that is not a good idea. Today I felt so dehydrated, so we had a watermelon juice and then it was a little better. So I think it is not a good idea to not have breakfast and go out during the day. Well, this is why you should put Wat Sutathe Varan in your bucket list. I have never seen a temple like this before. And the fact that not many tourists come here, it's even better. I mean, do you see anyone around here? I would highly recommend putting this place in your bucket list. So that is the entrance, and we accidentally entered from the back side. So we just went back and got the tickets. Khapkunka. And this is the entrance. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful space. I mean, and the fact that there are not that many tourists, it's surprising because it's a beautiful temple. And like you can see the culture just oozing out of every corner of this place. We got another tuk-tuk and I'm heading back to the hotel now because it's really hot. So we thought we'll just do some walk, finish up some videos, and then we will go out in the evening. We saw these two temples which were beautiful. I did have others in the list, but then I thought I'm done for the day. The funniest thing happened. We took a nap in the afternoon thinking that we'll wake up in 2 hours, set an alarm as well. So we were supposed to wake up at 5 and come to Chinatown. We kept sleeping until 9 and I was like, I woke up and I opened my eyes and I was like, did we even go somewhere or we went and I don't remember. And then my partner was like, we did not wake up. And it was 9 that time. It's 9:40, we are in Chinatown. We got ready so quickly. And then we were like, we have to go there, we can't miss it out. And we also need dinner. So we got a boat taxi, paid 80 baht, and we are here now.
There were lots of options to eat, but of course, the first thing I chose was mango sticky rice.
So we are eating this grilled squid with spicy sauce. It is spicy, but it is so good. Noodles with fish balls. It's a little bland. This is not my type. But if you're not like big on spicy, you can have this. And now we are here at a Korean hot dog stall. We are getting hot dogs from here. The last thing we are trying are spicy mangoes for 50 baht. And I really want to try them. I was looking for this lady. We were actually super late. We did not have many options left to eat at Chinatown, and I also could not try a lot of things that I thought I would try because I could not understand, and my partner also, he doesn't like to try Chinese food that much. But I mean also because of the limited options we couldn't try much. But it's okay. I think Chinatown is great if you like seafood, but if you're vegetarian or if you are not looking to eat pork, this is not a place I suggest you come in because there are not many options at all. If you'd like to try seafood, definitely come here.
Break it down.